stronger storms are possible. Right now, it's more on the lighter storm side to more showers with just a couple of bolts here and there, especially along and south of I-40. So we've seen some rain here at our studios in downtown Knoxville, Knox County, especially down towards Loudoun County, Blount County, seeing quite a bit of rain. Y'all have seen several rounds of rain. Another round on the way for the Maryville area, down towards Greenback, just east of Madisonville, and then even going into Sevier County, where it's a little bit more of that lighter rain. So again, it won't rain all day. About a third to a quarter of us are seeing rain right now, and that will kind of be the trend over the next few hours. But it looks like what will happen is that will shift off to the east. A lot of us will dry out, it'll fizzle out. We'll be able to warm up a little bit, and with that warming and an approaching front, more rain chances on the way. About half to 2/3 of us will end up seeing additional rain this afternoon. This is a live look out of Gatlinburg, seeing a few drops hitting the camera there. So a pretty wet start for a decent amount of us. Again, about a third of us right now. 66 in Knoxville, Maryville, Oak Ridge, 63 in Crossville and Wartburg, 62 in Barberville there in southeast Kentucky. Still seeing a decent amount of green on our ComfortCast, meaning comfortable, but a bit more moisture starting to stream in from the south and from the west. That will continue to be the trend throughout today. It'll be a mild, muggy day overall. We're talking about pretty similar temperature-wise to what we saw yesterday for your Wednesday. 81 in Knoxville, Maryville, Dandridge. We hit 81 officially at McGee-Tyson yesterday. I think we do about the same today, but as high as 85 in Athens and Tellico Plains can be expected, especially where we see a bit more of that sun, where we see a bit more of the cloud cover. We're talking about mid to upper 70s, 77 in Oneida, Jamestown, 75 in the Crossville area. So that rain that we're seeing right now, again, moving off to the east and to the north, will kind of fizzle out, but we'll still have a lot of clouds around. Even some drizzle cannot be ruled out. But as we head closer to the noontime hour, later morning, early afternoon, even a bit of sun can be expected. Where we see that sun, that's going to be key, because that will give us an opportunity for a little bit more stronger storms, a little bit more instability for the atmosphere to recover. And I think by about 2, 3 o'clock, that's where we see some of those showers and storms redevelop. Again, with that front approaching, and then it quickly moves off to the east and to the south in a linear fashion, kind of breaking apart as it does so. And once the sun sets, it looks like we dry out and even clear out a bit. But we do have that level 1 out of 5 severe risk from the Storm Prediction Center. Not widespread storms, not tornadoes, not hail, but some damaging wind gusts can be expected, very localized, so 30, 40 mile an hour gusts, a little more widespread, but the actual severe criteria is 58 mile an hour gusts. I don't think we see a lot of that, but 1 or 2 of those gusts can be possible at least. We'll wake up in the low to mid 60s for your Friday, 64 Knoxville, 63 Maynardville to 59 in Barberville. Rebound to the upper 80s to near 90 degrees for your Friday Frenzy. Any of those football forecasts looking dry, but on the warmer side, we'll wake up in the upper 60s for your Saturday, and then rebound to the low 80s for Saturday afternoon with another front yet again. Home opener for the Vols. Looks a little bit wet. I'm going to continue to track that out, but ahead of a front, we'll have yet another round of showers and storms possible, especially around kickoff, which is 3:30. We're going to be keeping a very careful eye on that, because I don't think we all see rain. It's not going to rain all day, but it looks like the timing may be a little bit unfortunate with that. So rainy Thursday with some of those strong storms possible. Keep an eye on our app. Keep an eye on the radar. Stay tuned with us. But Saturday, another little round of storms. Other than that, the other 5 days of the 7-day are looking pretty dry and relatively on the cooler side, Stan.